Okay, so I want to test out whether or not lemon juice in this home self-test COVID-19 kit will give a positive COVID result, like all the press are saying and how it's trending all over the internet. Now, disclaimer, don't fake, please do not fake your COVID tests. Let's just, let's be honest. I just want to do this just as a point of curiosity and just see what happens. So I've got my swab. So let's see if we can get a little bit of, hold on. Should we swab it just on there? Oh, there we go. Okay, we have, you probably couldn't see that. We have a swab here of lemon juice, Asda's finest. So let's do this. 5 seconds. It's usually 5 seconds, isn't it, in this liquid? Get it all off on there. Let's see what happens. And then, oh yeah, don't forget the squeezy. Let's squeeze this and go. Like that. There we go. There we go. Right, let's give this a go then. That's 2 drops in here. 1, 2. Drop. Now let's see what happens. Let's give it 20 something minutes and let's see if we get a... I'm putting all this rubbish away in a bag, you can hear me. Let's see if we get a positive result. Science. There we go. You can see a faint C line and an even fainter, totally there, T line. So that's what lemon juice does. But, don't fake it. And parents, if you're getting your kids to do it, then please watch them. You don't want to get everyone in their bubble, self-isolating, although that's going away soon, so it's not a major, is it? I'm sure there's a lot of fake tests going around because kids just don't want to go in. But there we go, science. So I guess so what's the best thing to use out of all these that I've tested? I guess the Robinson's fruit shoot is the good one. Go for that, straight in, drop of Robinson's. I wonder if the apple juice, no, not apple flavour, orange juice, the orange flavoured. We used blackcurrant and apple. Orange flavour might work, but I haven't got any of them in. But there we go. Science.